dito sa Kababayan Today si Professor Enrique de la Cruz at dala-dala ko po lahat ng mga libro na kanyang isinulat. Napaka-impressive po. Ang dami nyo nang nasulat.
Actually, kung titignan mo lahat yan, hindi yan yung librong ako lahat nagsulat.
So compilation.
Compilations, essays, and stuff.
Okay, so you focused, as a professor, your focus is Asian American Studies.
Yes, that's this concentrate. Yeah,
Okay.
That's been my discipline.
A lot of students that are in higher education now, that are of Filipino-American descent, when they tell their parents, I'm going to major in Asian American Studies, napapakamot yung mga napapakamot talaga yung mga magulang. Ano ba yung Asian American Studies na yan? Hindi pwede, kailangan doktor.
Exactly.
Lawyer.
Yeah.
Oh, so
exactly. Ano magiging hanap buhay mo kung Asian American Studies major ka? Dapat economics man lang.
Yun, di ba? So, please, dispel the myth. What does it mean to be an Asian American Studies major, and what can you pursue with that degree?
Let me make a step back.
Okay.
No? Philosophy.
Okay. It's a way of understanding yourself.
No. But what is it? And I call myself, I belong to the useless profession. Philosophers, you're either hated or liked.
Right, okay.
Right. But you have the versatility, actually, to go into any other specialization and study because you have now been equipped with the tools of critical thinking.
Yes.
Okay. Asian American Studies, ganun din yan. Because it is a multidisciplinary field. Nandyan yung history, nandyan yung sociology, nandyan yung psychology, nandyan yung mga urban planning. No? Kasi tinitignan mo yung communities.
Okay.
So, pwede kang very versatile ang background mo. You can work in the city planning.
Right.
No? You can do research for demographic companies that are doing demographics. So you can work for the U.S. Census.
Okay, so there's a lot of
actually
opportunity.
a lot of opportunities.
Okay, why do you think Filipino-American parents don't understand that this is actually a profession one can pursue?
Dahil kasi, remember that in the Philippines, either doktor o abogado.
Dapat, di ba? Gusto mong kumita ng pera, di ba? Gusto mong magandang kinabukasan. So, anong gagawin mo nga sa...
Anong gagawin mo dyan? Kung abogado ka, alam ko, mayroon kang hanap buhay.
Tama.
Doktor ka, sigurado yan, yaman tayo. Tayo ka ng bahay. Pero kung ano lang, magiging empleyado ka. In other words, you have to be self-employed, no?
Right.
No,
okay, so this is, I'm sure all the years that you've been a professor, you encounter Filipino-Americans that are in search of their identity. And they're looking to you to understand what that means. They're searching for something. Can you share some experiences you may have with students that go through this?
Oh, yes. Alam mo kasi dito, no? Especially, let's talk about dito. No?
Sa Amerika.
Sa Amerika. And also, let's focus on the native born. In other words, US born. No? Yung tinatawag nating Filipino-Americans, no?
Oo. Second generation. Dito na pinalaki. Dito na pinalaki.
Kahit na yung mga 1.5 na tinatawag, ibig sabihin, pinanganak sa Pilipinas, pero dito na lumaki. Okay? So,
1.5 ang tawag sa kanila. Okay.
Yeah, ang tawag namin sa kanila 1.5. And the second, Okay. This generation, 1.5 to second generation, lalaki sila dito, no? Pero wala silang makitang role models. Yung mga parents nila,
nagtatrabaho.
Hindi lang yun. They are not role models for them because they grew up and were socialized in the Philippines. Other than the fact that they pay the rent, bring in food and everything.
So how can a parent...
They do not exemplify the values that are overall reflected in America. Right.
Okay.
So hindi sila pwede. Kuminsan pa yan, no? Kuminsan pa yan, dahil bagito sila dito, they are confused.
Yes, very
Right?
confused.
Very confused. So they become dependent even on their children to explain American things to them.
Absolutely.
So paano mo magiging role model yung mga parents mo?
Kung ikaw na yung kailangan,
Oo,
ikaw pa mag-i-explain sa kanila.
Right, exactly. So that is one of the dilemmas. Okay. The other thing, makikisali ka nga sa mga iba dito. At least kahit ng bago natin ko, ngayon medyo tolerant na tayo. No?
Oo, dati hindi.
Dati hindi. Makikisali ka lang sa mga puti, hindi ka naman puti.
Oo.
Okay, so find yourself excluded from that. No? Sa mga itim, sa Pilipinas pa, we have been socialized to think of blacks as
Different from
different,
us.
not only different, but below us in status. Okay? Yung racism ng Kano dito, lumipat sa atin sa Pilipinas during their...
At nag-rub off sa atin.
Nag-rub off sa atin. So ayaw mong socialize.
Maki-socialize doon. So
Gusto mo
talagang may malaking dilema ka, no?
No, tapos pupunta ka sa mga Latino. Hindi ka naman marunong magsalita ng Espanyol.
Mahirap nga ito,
Oo.
Okay, so pagbalik natin dito sa Kababayan Today, we'll ask Professor Enrique what kind of solutions we can have, okay? Pagbabalik yan ng Kababayan Today. Don't go away.